Hello everybody, it's okay, and today we're going to be playing some more Roblox Bee Swarm Simulator. I am doing this alone today. I'm normally with friends, but not today. Pollen. At the moment, I'm on this very quest system. Your friend, but you don't know. Wait. What? Hello?
Hello.
Why do we always do
Hello.
this? Why do we always do this?
I don't know.
Bye.
Oh! No, come back! Come back!
I need to beat mantises. I need to kill mantis.
Okay.
I'm killing them all. Bees attack. I forgot about werewolf. I forgot about the werewolf. How could I ever forget about the werewolf?
Well, I guess you're dead then.
I'm not, because I'm hiding behind a cactus. What is he doing?
There's a ladybug here, and I just killed it.
How many bees do
There
you
was a
have?
ladybug, and it is dead now.
How many bees do you have?
How many bees do I have?
Yeah,
13 bees.
13. Get 2 more, and then
Yes.
you can go and kill some mantises.
Make honey. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, my game is my computer is experiencing lag. There we go. Oh, I got
Am I
gunshot.
laggy at all?
No?
Okay, because you sound laggy to me, but it's fine. Sub to Miniduncan. What? Miniduncan is? Miniduncan's censored, oh my god.
Ha!
Sub
It's
to...
because they don't like Miniduncan.
Are you serious?
It just looks like you're trying to swear
Jack,
to at
chat.
people.
Jack, look at the chat.
Yay! Do what he says. He speaks the truth.
No, Jack, I'm gonna pretend like I'm trying to walk around, but I can't.
Where are you?
I don't know.
Describe your area to me.
I'm gonna describe my area by I can see bees. There's a man on top of somebody else's hive. I look like a penguin.
I found you. I'm gonna turn you into a bubble. Let's see if it works. Let's go wacky.
I got tickets.
Tickets?
How do I use tickets? Is it here? Hello.
That just
Instant converter.
that instantly converts all of your pollen into honey.
Oh, that's nice. Wait, what do I do with honey? I forgot.
Seriously? You buy stuff with it.
And how do you buy stuff?
Follow me. Follow me.
And where are you?
Up here.
Ooh. Royal jelly.
Hey, come here.
I got royal jelly.
Whee! Mine didn't even put me up there.
Open shop.
There you go.
Can't afford, can't afford, can't afford, of course. How much is it for this?
What's going on?
60,000 honey. Oh, Jesus. What?
Do you have the parachute?
Wait, what is this like shovel thing? I don't get it. Okay, I got it. Super scooper. Is this good?
Yeah.
Is
You
the
use it to
super
collect.
scooper good?
You use it to collect pollen.
Yeah, duh.
I thought that wasn't
I
clear.
can tell.
I thought that wasn't clear though.
Wee! Nom 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 nom.
Jump twice, like double jump, kinda. Can you do it?
What?
Jump and then jump again.
No.
Anything happening? Okay, so you don't.
No.
Go to the massive light.
Where's the massive light?
It's in the.
I'm back down at the bottom.
It's in front of your hive.
I got some gumdrops. What do I do? What do I do with gumdrops?
Oh, you just reminded me. You need 2,500 of them
For what?
to get a free bee.
Oh, well, I've got how many do I have? I have 19. Wait, I have an ant pass.
How?
I don't know. But I have an ant pass.
You can only get. You can use the ant pass in this area up here, but you don't have enough bees.
Well, I'm gonna go use the ant pass.
See that? See up here, with the massive ant. See the bee to its right.
I don't know where you are.
To the.
Where are you?
Oh, here. I'm in front of you.
No. Oh, you're right there.
Follow me.
Yeah. You're running away. Can you go any slower?
This is my sled.
No. Are you okay? I'm climbing it backwards.
What are you doing?
I can't go through here.
Yeah, but look up there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's what you use the gumdrops for.
Yeah, but I want to know what I use the ant pass for.
This, it's in here. Use ant passes in here. Watch. This is what happens. This is what happens. Ready?
It's hard to see you. Oh, this is ants. What happened to the king ant thing?
King ant? What?
Yeah. What happened to it?
There's no king ant.
Oh my god, this guy's worse than me.
Okay, my game is actually really laggy. I'm about to die, obviously. Oh, never mind. I didn't.
You
take
can
any
say
damage.
Fortnite.
What? Oh, a minute. I need to turn my volume down. Ah, no volume. Ow. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. What?
Grand Theft Auto.
What?
Let's see.
What are you doing?
Apex Legend.
What are you even doing?
YouTube. How is YouTube censored?
Are you trying to type something? Oh,
How is YouTube censored?
I don't know.
Screw you, Robux. Yeah.
I just remembered something.
Scud.
I'm so fast. I'm Sonic.
How are you allowed to say that?
Oh, I'm just gonna.
How are you allowed to say that?
I don't know. It's
What?
confusing. Roblox is a confusing game. I am
So
Sonic.
you can't say YouTube, but you can say gay.
I am
Roblox
Sonic.
makes sense.
Look at me. I am Sonic.
Wait, it was like over here. Over here, there was like there used to be some kind of like king ant.
No, King Beetle.
Oh. I want to challenge him.
Up here.
I challenge you.
Mine still has 3 days left. Mine still has 3 days left.
This one's fat. It's fat.
That's not
It
nice.
just hit itself. It just hit its head on the wall.
Thing is, my game's that laggy that I can't even see him.
And he's bullying me.
Oh, I can see him now. Can my bees help you? Oh, you're dead.
Wait, how long can I spam E for? How long can I spam E for? Let's find out.
25 minutes.
That's the max you can go. And it's all censored.
Let's play hide and seek in Bee Swarm Simulator. And I'm only allowed to go in the places, in the areas that you're allowed to go in. Go in first person and go through here.
How do I go into first person?
Oh, you can't in this. Yeah, just go in there so you can't see.
Okay.
Ready? Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. And I can see you flying through the sky. I can see you flying through the sky. I'm not an idiot.
My game's really laggy,
Wait,
so
I can see you flying through the sky. Stop flying through the sky. Is that you?
yeah, but you can't get to, you have to tag me. You have to tag me as well.
I have to tag you. Well, if you go somewhere I can't go. Where are you?
Look at the giant pineapple. Hello.
That's a mantis.
I'm on top of the giant pineapple. Look behind you.
How did you get up there? How did you get up there? Magic bean. Thank you for the magic bean.
You can't get me.
How did you get up there?
I used the red cannon.
What is that?
That's Stumpy. you see my Stumpy?
Tag.
Hello, Stump Snail.
Tag. Jack, I tagged you. No, you have to go count now. You have to go count now.
Okay. So I know you can only go from first area to 10 area. So yeah.
Okay, you need to count now.
I'm going. What should I count to?
Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. And first of all, I'm gonna fly through the sky just so I can have an aerial view.
You'll never find me.
I wonder where I could be.
Hello.
What? Where are you?
Bees, you're gonna give it away, you idiots. Flying around like.
Say the first letter of what you're hiding in.
I don't know.
Look
I
around.
don't know what this is. It's like a dispenser. Black Bear's title? What? It says Black Bear's title here. Ah!
You just gave it away.
I should have just. Oh, you told me to give you a hint.
I said well, the first
So I
letter.
went that route.
I said the first letter, not the whole entire thing.
I won. I won.
How? We're doing another round. You have to count.
1, 2,
No, no.
3, 4.
Count to 25.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm coming after you.
I can see you. Oh, it was funny. You're above me. You're actually above me. You'll never be able to find.
Say that? Wait, what? I was watching that area. How did you get in there? I was watching that area. How did you even get in there? I'm sorry. Is it this?
Yeah!
Wait, what? This wasn't it.
No, go on top of the blue thing. You're in the right place.
I have to be blind. Wait, where did you go?
Go on top of the big blue area. The big blue
How
thing.
did you get up there? You're not allowed to move out of the spot you're in.
No, I want to show you how to get up. I want to show you how to get in there.
I just got in there. I literally just went in there. Look, watch this. Boink, boink, boink. Boink, 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 boink. Boink, boink, boink. Boink, boink, boink. See, I know how to get in here.
He didn't tag me.
I got you.
Did you? My game's lagging,
Yeah.
so I don't know. Okay, I'm counting. I need to count. I'll count in here.
Okay.
What am I counting to?
10.
1, 2, 3,
Actually,
4,
15.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I just counted over. Ready not, here I come.
You'll never find me.
You said that last time.
Yeah, because I gave you a hint. That's the only reason you found me. No!
Tag!
You didn't hit me! You haven't got me yet.
Tag!
You haven't got me yet.
On my screen, I just touched you.
On my screen, you're literally so far away
Tag,
right now.
tag. On my screen, I'm literally underneath you. Tag, tag, tag,
Oh my,
tag, tag,
if I was recording as well, you can literally see what's happening right now.
tag, tag, tag,
You're missing me each time. You're
tag.
behind me.
I'm literally touching you. Tag.
Now you're touching me. Now you're touching me. Well, shall we end the video here?
Let me just check the time. It hasn't even been 30 minutes. Never mind. Let's just end it. Let's end it on the most common spot that we were in.
Okay.
Actually, no. Pick a bear. Any bear.
I'm gonna pick the brown bear.
Brown? Okay.
The bear that's over here.
I need to claim it then.
There he is. Hello.
You're not even here on my screen.
Wait, what's his name? It's the black bear.
Oh, black bear. You said brown bear?
I thought it was a brown bear, but it's a black bear.
Hello there, Mr. Black Bear. I'm in the middle of doing your quest. Blackle.
Blackle.
Blackle. So everyone, this is going to be it for this video today, and I'm going to end off by doing this. Ready?
What?
Get as many jelly beans as you can. Oh.
I'd rather not.
Okay. So that's all we've got time. Wait. That's all we've got time for in this video today. So if you want to see another video or any other video, then make sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell. And I'll see you all later. Bye!
Bye!